Song is off of my next CD. What I did when I was writing this piece, well actually, a few months ago, my parents just made their 50th anniversary. So we all had a big party and everything, and I knew for sure that they were going to ask me to sing, so I just thought, I'll write them a piece. So I was thinking about, what to write and whatnot, and then I came across I just thought about this word, Uhi Wai. And Uhi Wai in Hawaiian means mist. But in Hawaiian poetry, kauna, mist also, or Uhi Wai also described like love. And how, for me, how I kind of look at it metaphorically is a lot of times in the mornings in Kane'oi, I'm getting up after a really heavy night of rain. Really interesting when you look out into the mountains, you can see this light mist and clouds that kind of gather around the mountains. And it just kind of reminded me of how, like a hug, a big hug, and how Uhi Wai, the mist, how it surrounds us, how love surrounds us. So I just thought about that and my parents. But in the third verse, you hear me say, Eia ho'iau, which means here I am. I was just kind of like envisioning my father, calling out my mom, which is kind of funny because their relationship is more like, yeah! That kind of stuff. It's not like, here I am, no, it's not like that. But, so anyway, a song called Uhi Wai.
Ke kalini ka ho'ina ho'ike alohaina Eia ho'iau Eia ho'ia Eia Uhi Wai.